How to fix Nectar app won't let me log in. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are facing such issue, first and foremost, you need to press and hold onto your Nectar application. Head over to App Info and start off by force stopping your application. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. If that's not the case, launch your phone settings. From the option, navigate to Apps and head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Nectar. Over here, tap on the Force Stop button, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. By this way, you'll be solving any of the bug or the glitch issue. While you are in your phone settings, scroll down and head over to System Update. Make sure that your phone system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. Following with the next step, tap open your Play Store or App Store in the case of an iOS device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Nectar. Tap on the application and make sure that there is no any available update. However, there's any, tap on the update button. The last resort is to tap on uninstall and reinstall it later. And it's the end of the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.